Hello everybody, Jasmine9253 here with special broadcast of Zombie Apocalypse Surviving. Right here, the Alpha Trooper. I have a BB gun version just like it. And I can't bring it out today, but maybe tomorrow after school I will show you guys it. The real version is good because it has metal BBs and pellets. Good for going through the skull. A bike, great for getting around. Skateboard that I'm on. Great for same things that smack them in the head. Backpack. Perfect. Carrying heavy things, plus we have a dog tag with, everything on it. Plus, look at me, wearing armor. They can't get through this. It's pure plastic. The last thing I want to show you, don't want to fool the surprise. Never mind. Baseball bat. Crush skulls, break bones, and good for killing. See you guys later in my new video.